You want to program your first show? What if you don't have to start from scratch? You just need to patch some fixtures and fill them in your predefined groups. And you can start programming right away. There are some powerful predefined layouts which help you then start programming your show. Also, check out the LOS, the live output system, which will help you to start busking shows straight away. The MA Startshow is a real game changer, especially for your first experiences with the GrandMA3 system. Have a look on our YouTube channel. There you can find some tutorials to help you using the Startshow and creating your own shows. And we have some new demo show files especially created for you when you work in theater, house of worship or architectural environments. Get access to those new demo show files directly below.